Hello everyone and welcome back to Shiba Inu Land, your home for all your cryptocurrency needs. We have accomplished our goal and the cryptocurrency market is now over 2 trillion. We are currently waiting for one more indicator, which will be released the following week when we receive the monthly close. If we are able to maintain a market cap that is greater than 2 trillion, then Bitcoin will be better than 48500. For those of you who have been following me and who have been keeping track of the bull run bull market conditions, they are pinned to the Twitter account. They are currently at the top 3 for 3. We are aiming to go 4 for 4 and 5 for 5, and we are going to keep going, folks, because we are in very exciting times ahead. Guess what time it is? It is bull run time. You got that right. I meant to put out this video earlier today, but you know what, it was my day off. I took a real day off. It's been great. Let me tell you that, but I'm starving. I'm waiting for my girlfriend to get here. She says within the next half hour or so. Then we're going to order some sushi. Here's the fun fact. I really like sushi. Well, I don't like sushi. I don't eat seafood or anything from the ocean. So what do I get? I get the old rib special, a little chicken sushi. That's right. Yes, the chicken is cooked. It's deep fried chicken wrapped just like a sushi roll. It's so good. Apply a small bit of wasabi to it and then dip it in some soy sauce. Oh my goodness, are we doing this? I'm gonna get 4 rolls tonight with their half rolls, so 2 rolls. I might even splurge and get that 5th to have 2.5, but I'm starving. I can't wait. But in this video, we got a lot of exciting things to talk about. A markets, Ripple and Mateo. I'm gonna look at the XRP price chart I'm going to look to see where XRP is going, because let's be honest about it, it's freaking lagging behind. And then we're going to go over the narrative, because I'm sick of seeing the narrative out there. XRP is never going to reach $1. XRP is never going to reach its all-time high. Let's talk about it. I'll give you my opinion, I'll give you my take, and I'm going to give you my little updated projection we can call nowhere. This thing is going, so without further ado, let's jump into it. Ethereum, which is currently up 4.11%, coming in at $2,948 USDT, and USDC both coming in after dollar pegs, is XRP, which is almost up 1%, coming in at 56 cents. Bitcoin, which is currently down 0.01% in the past 24 hours, and Ethereum, which is currently down 0.01% in the past 24 hours at $51,944. Please keep in mind the important metrics and the primary areas of focus for XRP 58. What about 61 to 62 cents? We get through those levels, we'll see a quick push up to 75 cents that gets broken. We'll be in a 90-cent range before you know it. We'll be at XRP's first critical and crucial stop around $1.50, give or take. And that's where we're going to, I believe, see some sideways action, sideways movement. Before this thing accelerates, now it looks to me like money is leaving Bitcoin and rotating into Ethereum. Could this be a little old run before Bitcoin goes absolutely parabolic? It is possible that we may take a step back and reevaluate the situation the following week, when we will have the monthly close, but for the time being, the markets appear to be in excellent condition. Folks, the USDT and USDC are exactly where we want them to be. Bitcoin's over a $1 trillion market cap. ETFs are firing. The Bitcoin network cannot produce enough Bitcoin for the amount of supply that is coming in. Is just, well, let's see for the amount of demand that's coming in. There just is not enough supply for Bitcoin to go around. So you know what happens there? We get a supply shock issue. Now, if you're not part of my project, the largest project on the XRP ledger, get in, because next week there will be a paycheck on March 1st. That is correct. All XRP, all NFT holders of Luxlines, they get XRP back to their wallets each and every month on the 1st of the month for as long as the project goes, and we are healthier than ever. I'll tell you that much. You need to get an NFT. You don't want to pay XRP, no problem. Pay off your credit card, pay off your debit card. Just make sure you tell me what you sum well so I can send the NFT. Do you have about 40 plus orders right now? I'm going to work on those tonight at therapy. My girlfriend will get those out to you, and everyone will have the brand new NFTs. Ease Mob, the newest tier there. Selling, if they sell out, you're sitting on the side. Now, here's what I'm talking about. 3 for 3 for calling this Bitcoin 48.5. We're just waiting on the monthly close as long as we hold above that total. Clever wallet with the name Musk. Yes, that's right. Musk, like Elon Musk, has been linked to XRP's price movements. The wallet transferred XRP before the cryptocurrency's previous all-time high back in 2017, leading to a speculation of a similar move in the future. So what happened here back in 2017? When XRP took off and made its run to 2080 cents over here in the US, 3080 cents over in South Korea, which people like to say is this all-time high. We've seen this same wallet move money over in XRP. Well, that's what they're doing right now. This same wallet is active again. They are moving XRP funds in the wallet, perhaps gearing up for another big move. A lot of people won't speculate this is Elon Musk's wallet because it's named Must It. Doesn't mean anything to name. Anyone can name the wallet anything. It means absolutely nothing. Is it F? Yeah, sure, but to really be like, try to convince people that Elon Musk is holding XRP, I mean, it's just something you shouldn't do because it is very misleading. I'm not saying MacAttack is doing that. I'm just saying, and I don't even know if anyone's done, to be honest with you. I haven't really been on Twitter today, but I'm just saying, we don't want to be misleading. We want to provide accurate information, and we want people to always do their own research and just help put this out. Metco, the same Metco that Ripple owns now, he says, I don't just see custody and tokenization when I look at this, I see further banking infrastructure Ripple owns, and then he links us to this Metco, the standard for top-tier banks in excess of 50% of the worldwide one. If you will forgive me, numerous regional universal banks and corporations, in addition to more than half of the world's major global custodian banks, have selected Metco Harmonized as the fundamental platform for the digital assets operations that are currently being conducted and those that will be conducted in the future. This is Ripple owned. Clearly this plans within plans. There are bigger plans here, so we really need to sit back and watch this thing develop. And now with the acquisition of standard custody, you got to ask yourself, how is this all going to intertwine and play with Incredible Crypto put out his chart. He talked about XRP not too long ago. He said in my last video update on XRP, I said I was not interested until the XRP to beat Bitcoin pairing moved downside, targeted 30% lower. Well, we had to move to the downside. We actually broke under the downside. He goes, well, we are finally there in a place where I am now interested. Slack's paying attention to it. He's going to share more tomorrow, but here you go. So Incredible Crypto is now paying attention to XRP. It made the move that he was waiting for. XRP is always, this range where we're at. It's an area of interest for me, and it should be an area of interest for everyone out there because as you can notice out there, XRP is definitely lagging behind, folks, but it's going to catch up like it's done in 2017. It was on its way to catching up in 2020 to 2021. Before the SEC dropped a lawsuit, it will catch up. Whether it's the last crypto to run, time will tell. Could it be? Yeah, but that's all right, doctor. Fender stated that the RSI for the XRP Bitcoin pair in the weekly time frame stands in the same place as the day before the 2017 and 2021 XRP bull run. The RSI tells us that the 2024 run is here, and if you look at the same chart, you can see that the 2017 bull run is here. Let the money enter the market and let them make their money. Then let's see if any of that money enters XRP and takes it to heights that people were not expecting. The oversold territory is what we call it. We went absolutely parabolic. We are touching it now. What does it mean? Well, it means that XRP is going to be making a powerful move very soon. Now, let's talk about the narrative that is out there, and all I see is people getting into my Twitter thread and wanting to direct message me. We look back at what happened in 2020 to 2021 when XRP reached its lowest point or reached that RSI dip. XRP sucks. XRP is a shitcoin. XRP is never going to $1. You'll never see all-time high again. It's not even a crypto. The same old stories from the same old maxes out there. Here's what I have to say. These same people were the ones saying that Bitcoin, when it first came out, was never going to be anything. These were the same people that said Bitcoin will never reach $100, $1,000, or $10,000, and yet Bitcoin hits 69,000. It is the same with these who are now taking the negative net and attitudes and putting it onto the XRP community. We've been through hell and back. We do not deserve any of this. So the narrative, it's old. It's ridiculous. If you think that XRP has been a top 10 crypto over a decade, how many years has it been now, and that it's never going to do anything, I'm sorry to tell you, but it is absolutely